Hello everyone, you're welcome to my video. My name is Asim Great, and on this video I will be telling you why you as a developer need to build and embrace the WASP blockchain. Before then, welcome to the WASP blockchain. Anyway, if you're a developer looking to build a project on the blockchain space, WASP has some core resources that you need to know about blockchain. The WASP blockchain is one of the most utilized and dynamic platforms where renowned brand collectors, developers and projects are coming together to build the future of digital collectibles and decentralized applications. In case you are a developer who have been wondering about in the blockchain space, looking for where to explore, then WASP blockchain have some essential and powerful resources to help you skate through on that your project. Even if you're looking to build a crypto project, or you're looking to build NFT project, or even a gaming project, this is the reason why you need WASP blockchain. WASP blockchain has been successful over the years, have never been a coincidence, because its resources was built out of net, CPU, and as well as the RAM. So you're going to stay tuned to the end of this video while I explore and define these resources for you, where you can understand how you can start your building from right now. Stay close. Yeah, so guys, we're going to start with the net and CPU. If you have been to the WASP blockchain, you'll be wondering how things are built run smoothly and efficiently on the WASP blockchain. This is just because of two major resources, which is the net and CPU. So the net and CPU are just like the heartbeat of the WASP blockchain. This make purchase, trade and sales of collectibles of any transaction to be done quickly and efficiently. The net is the throughput of the blockchain, enabling transactions to be run fast and quick on the blockchain. So the net is just like a space you need to send and receive data. And if you are selling or you are buying data, you have this all volume handled by the net. While on the other hand, you have the CPU. The CPU will enable your transaction to be fast, to increase the fastness of your transaction on the blockchain. So let's take for example, maybe you are in the time where the network is being congested, so you will have a higher space in the CPU that will help you skate through this challenge. So before you can get this running smoothly and running efficiently, you have to increase your bandwidth. How do you increase your bandwidth? Increasing your bandwidth is very simple. It's just by staking the native token known as the WASP token. This will enable you to increase your bandwidth, creating more space for you on the blockchain in case you are encountering some challenges of not doing things fast or slowness. So this space will enable you to stand a chance or a leverage for you to be ahead of others. So if you have been in the WASP blockchain and you want to explore more of this, guys, go and stake your WASP token and go for the voting also of the 21 gigs, so you can have more opportunity or more leverage to increase either your net or your CPU. So increasing this, it's advisable you do it in a ratio of 10:1, enable you run your transaction or your activity more smoothly on the WASP blockchain. So guys, go now and stake your WASP token. That will give you more leverage, guys, and have more to explore. So guys, we have talked about the net and the CPU. The next thing we're going to be talking about is the RAM. The RAM is just like a blockchain vault on the WASP blockchain, which permanently store data and informations of users and every activities happening on the WASP blockchain. So the net is responsible for powering all dApps and making things easy to be run smoothly, especially when you need information in the future run. So it's just like you tracing back as a history. You can go to the RAM and you can easily get all transactions of the blockchain. So the RAM have also helped to power up dApps and also make it possible for digital collectibles to be saved and created easily for transaction or trading activities to be done on the blockchain. So don't forget what we're talking about, the net, CPU and the RAM. Remember, the net is helping as help in accumulating a large volume of data to be sent, and it's just like a throughput, the blockchain throughput. Why CPU is the features that help speed up transactions, while the RAM is just the storage features for the WASP blockchain, a permanent storage plan for the WASP blockchain. So you can easily increase your RAM when you want to. How do you do this? You can go to the marketplace and purchase extra RAMs just to power up your decentralized applications or to power up your activities on the blockchain. So guys, come with me, let me show you how you can easily stake your WASP token and get extra net and get extra CPU for you to run your transaction activities on the WASP blockchain. So guys, come with me, let me show you.
So guys, to increase your bandwidth, which will leverage on your CPU or your net, including the RAM, you head over to MyCloud Wallet. So MyCloud Wallet is one of the official wallets used by the WASP blockchain for all its users. So here is an interface of MyCloud Wallet, which is MCW. We head over to the icons at the left hand side. You can see the dashboard, NFTs, buy and sell, WASP Social, Explorer, staking, rewards, multi-chain bridge settings. So we go to staking rewards. So here we officially stake our WASP token. First of all, we head over to staking information so we can direct our staking to either CPU, net, or RAM. So this is just an overview of what I've done so far, my activities of staking so far. You can see my balance of my WASP token, the unstake token I have, and the stake token I have as well. So I have my CPU is still 100%, it's still untouched. The net 0%, and also this is showing 0% because I've not increased it at all. So this is what I bought, the what I've used to increase my CPU, and I've not touched it. It's still showing 100%. So also the RAM, I just got an extra RAM which increased to this 83% usage. So I'm still working on this. I'm still going to take more to increase my RAM. So guys, you don't need to waste much time. We head over to this place where we can stake our WASP, directing it to either CPU, net, or RAM. So guys, I want to increase my CPU bandwidth, so I'll put here, I'm going to increase it by let me use 50 WASP. So I have to stake, hit on the stake token. Just hold on for it to load up. This might be due to the network glitch. Okay, here our transaction is successful. So you can see before we did a new staking of 50 WASP, we have 54 WASP directed to CPU before. So I'm going to refresh so you see that this amount is going to be increased by the number we just staked. Just a little bit for a little lot of guys. So you can see over here we now have 104.4 WASP. That means our CPU has been increased as well. So we're going to direct another one to the net. So we'll come over here, we'll come to the CPU icon and change it to net. First let's increase it by 50, stick 50. All right. So guys, our transaction is successful as well. So we're gonna hit on refresh so you can see the amount over there. So you can see the total stake here, 104.4. So the more you stake, the more your stake token increase. You see over here is now 154, and your unstake will be reducing because you are taking from the unstake to stake. So here will be increasing while unstake will be reducing. So just a vice versa, guys. So also I will want to also increase for the RAM. I can come over here and hit on the RAM. So for the RAM, you are not staking, you are buying. So you are buying. I'm going to buy with 50 WASP. So I'll just hit on buy RAM. So this is not going to your stake token. This is going to be minus from your on stake token because you are buying. You can see it over here. So it can't be added to your stake, but it will be minus or deducted from your stake. So let's refresh and see what we've got so far from our transaction. So you can see it was minus from the on stake, and why the stake is still very much available. So guys, this is a very simple way for you to stake your tokens, your WASP tokens, to increase your bandwidth for CPU and net. And as well, you can also go to the marketplace, as we described in the previous words, that you can go to the marketplace to buy RAM. So you can just tap in the amount you want to buy. If it's 1,000, just tap it to 1,000 and you can hit on the buy button. But in this case, I'm not buying, I'm only just buying a few, which I have done. So this is the way it is. You can also come here and sell your RAM. If what you've bought so far, you can come here and as well sell your RAM. Not only that, guys, you can also unstake your tokens. It's pretty simple. While you're unstaking your tokens, it will take some days for them to process the refund and pay it back to your WASP wallet account. So here I will hit on the unstake. Then I put the amount. Am I unstaking the total amount? You just hit it here and you hit on confirm. Then also, if you are unstaking for the net, you hit the amount you want to unstake. Okay, let's take for example, I want to unstake for this. Let me just say I want to unstake 10. Then here also, let's say 10 or 5. Let me use 5. So here you can confirm this. This transaction is going to be processed over a few days. So it's successful already. We have to wait for it to be done in a few days and to be reverted or refunded back to my wallet, guys. So this is a very simple way you can do this process of staking and increasing your bandwidth. And again, you can also vote for the top 21 gates. So you vote for the top 21 gates, increasing from here up to the last over there. So you can see top 21. This is just the first one. So I can hit on this and I will hit on vote. So this transaction is also successful. Do you know why? Because I can easily vote because I have a stake tokens of the WASP token. So if I had not had stake tokens, I won't be able to vote. So staking your WASP token give you a leverage to so many benefits in the WASP blockchain. So guys, go start now.
Did you know that there's a team behind the WASP network that keep everything running and smoothly? They also promote fairness and transparency. These are the OIG. The OIG is a position which operates differently. It operates on its own, trying to promote transparency and fairness within the WASP blockchain. So the main purpose of this OIG is to review GATE, which are the block producers for the WASP network, which keep it up and running. So the name of this OIG is Office of Inspector General, which keeps the WASP blockchain running smoothly. They are tending also to bring in new ideas and promote the WASP blockchain. You can see in terms of security, there's always new features or upgraded features come to trading, come to NFTs, you come to interface, come to whatever features you want in the WASP blockchain. As far as keep growing and keep improving, this is responsibility of the OIG in person, which helps to improve every governance. I think sometime this year in June to July, the election was held on the WASP blockchain, so where community can come in to vote for the person they want to be on this position, and that was the last election that was held anyway. So you can participate in this election by committing your vote after you see people being selected as the running mate or the people that have applied to be on this position. So it's a decentralized system where people or committee members can vote for the person who they want as the governor or the office of inspector general in the WASP blockchain. So guys, keep your eyes on it. There's another feature known as the pay per transaction, where you can pay for the transaction you are doing at a time. So you don't have to pay for a long time of transaction, but what you need to do on the WASP blockchain, what do you do? Pay per transaction, pay per any trade you are doing, any transaction you are doing, pay per it. You don't have to pay for so long or pay ahead of time. Pay for each of the transaction you are making on the WASP blockchain. So guys, cheers up and go start developing and building your project with WASP blockchain. We have a whole lot of features on this blockchain that will enable your gaming project, NFT project, and even your token project. Maybe you want to list a token or a crypto project, you can do that. There's one currently trending on the WASP blockchain known as the Wofi, and we have so many crypto projects and meme coins coming up on the WASP blockchain, and this is an untapped community blockchain that you need to utilize to build that your favorite and quality project. So guys, come and be part of the WASP blockchain. So cheers, peace out, love you guys, see you on my next video, bye bye.